this video tutorial, I will show you the manager section of SAS4 Radius Manager. My name is Talhali and this is the third video of SAS4 Radius Manager. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. So in this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a manager, how many categories we have for the managers, and how we can assign different roles to managers. So let's go to the manager section. So under actions, you can see everything else is grayed out, but only visible thing is new. So I'm gonna click on new and let's create a new manager, and I'm gonna give it a name, test_manager1, and let's assign a password here, and you need to retype the password for this one, and then we select a security group and make sure this one is enabled so this can be used, and then we're going to select the security group. So there are three kind of security groups: administrator, normal reseller, and a super reseller. I'm going to set the administrator role for this manager, the test manager one, and then you need to select a parent, which I'm going to set the admin, and I will tell you about that later in this video. And you put some personal information like first name, last name, and you can set whatever. So I'm just creating this one for testing, so I just typed test manager, and then there is a subscribers prefix. You want to choose that one, you can do that. And then there is maximum number of users. If you want to set a number like how many users a manager can create, you can set limit, and there are more features as well. If you guys want to know about any other features showing right here, you can comment me and I will create another video for you guys. Okay, and then I'm going to click on submit button to create the manager. So you can see the test manager one is created, and in the sixth column you can see the permissions, which is administrator. Okay, so I'm going to create another one. It's going to be the test_manager 2, and I will assign another security group for this one. Okay, let me type the password, and then the security group is going to be the super reseller for this one, and I'm going to select the parent as admin. It's going to be the still same one, but you see under parent there was two, like admin and the test manager one. For this one I'm going to give it a real name, John Wick, and then I'm just going to click submit to create the second one, and then the last one is going to be the test manager 3, and I will assign the role as a normal reseller so we can test all those three security groups, and I'm going to set the parent as admin as well for this one as well. Okay, and I'm going to type the first name and the last name, and I'm going to click submit to create this. Okay, so the test managers with three different permissions are created. Okay, so let's log out from the admin and try logging in using the test manager 3, and which is the normal reseller account. Here you can see we only have the feature of users, billing, reports, and the about. So that means with the normal reseller we can only create users or get their invoices and billing. We cannot create any profiles, we cannot create any new managers, right? So let's log out this one and try the super reseller and see what's the difference in that one. So I'm going to log in using the test manager 2. So in this one you can see a huge difference, like we can create more managers under the super reseller. That's the added feature from the normal reseller, right? And then I'm going to log in using the test manager 1, which is going to be the administrator. This one has all the features like whatever I get in the admin. So under administrator you get everything, like you can create groups, you can create managers, you can create cards, everything, whatever you can do in the under the admin account, you can do under the administrator. So it's the same, like you can create multiple administrator. But if you see in the dmasoftlab, you can just have only one administrator account, and then you can create more administrator, but the admin one has all the rights. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you click on the thumbs up button, and if you're new to this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.